Once, a young monk named Liang approached his master, a wise old Zen monk named Zhou, with a question that had been troubling him. "Master Zhou," he began, his voice betraying a mix of curiosity and frustration, "I have been trying to understand others better, to anticipate their needs and feelings. How can one read the minds of others to truly understand them without words?" Master Zhou smiled gently, his eyes twinkling with a hint of mischief. "Come with me," he said. They walked silently to the village market. As they strolled, they observed the people around them, a mother gently scolding her child, a merchant eagerly selling his goods, an old man watching the world go by. After a while, they sat on a bench. Master Zhou pointed to a young woman who was trying to carry several baskets of fruit, obviously struggling to keep them balanced. "Tell me, Liang, what is on her mind?" asked Master Zhou. Liang watched carefully. "She is worried that she might drop the fruit," he replied after a moment. "And what about that old man?" Zhou pointed to someone walking slowly with a cane. "He seems lonely," Liang said, noticing the man's occasional sighs and the way he looked around, hoping someone would talk to him. Master Zhou nodded. "You see, Liang, to read someone's mind, you do not need mystical powers. You need to observe, to really see them, their body language, their facial expressions, their actions. You need to listen to the silence between their words. Understanding others is not about reading minds, it's about reading hearts." Liang understood. He realized that true empathy did not come from trying to penetrate the minds of others, but from being present and attentive to their emotional states. "Thank you, Master Zhou. I see now that the mind I need to read is not others but my own," Liang said, a new sense of clarity dawning on him. With a knowing smile, Master Zhou patted him on the back, pleased with his student's insight. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.